Wow. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantega. If this is your first time, hey, make sure you subscribe below. Please subscribe, okay? I know. Happy New Year everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how I created this soft glam drugstore makeup look in 2020. It's still gonna be a trend. We're gonna still make it a trend, okay? I feel like soft glam really talks to my soul, okay? I really love a really natural soft glam, you know. So if you guys love what you see, please continue watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. And yeah, we're gonna begin in 1, 2, 3.
So I'm using my Nickak primer to prime my face. This primer is so good. Like, it's so smooth. It blocks all your pores. And yeah, your makeup will last, okay? It's a drugstore primer, by the way. And now I'm using my MAC foundation in the shade 8.5. This is the only non-drugstore product that I'm using. So yeah. I'm using a Morphe brush. I'm going to put the names of the brushes in the description box down below because I don't know the names now out of my head. And also, the names are faded on the brushes. That's why. Also, so yeah. Everything will be in the description box down below. So I'm applying my foundation. Don't forget to apply it to your neck because then you will have a uneven, I don't know, you won't be looking good, okay? So yeah, that is what I'm doing. Also, my brows are already done. I'm gonna give you guys a brow tutorial because I've been asked so many times how I do my brows myself, so I got you, okay? So yeah. Now I'm using my Maybelline concealer. I'm gonna put, I think it's in the shade honey or deep honey something, but I'm gonna put everything down below in the description box. So yeah, I'm applying it under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, a little bit on my upper lips, and yeah. This video is supposed to be a talk through video, but because of the echo in my room, I couldn't, like, the sound was trash. I didn't like it, so I was like, nah, I'm doing a voiceover. So yeah, now I'm using my beauty blender to blend my concealer into my skin. And I'm sorry, you guys, like, I don't bring my concealer all the way to my hairline. Like, I don't do that. I don't like that look. It looks, I don't know, I look crazy when I do that. So yeah, I'm bringing it in the middle. I'm just only bringing it in the middle of my face. Like, I don't really don't know how to explain, but you get me. Like, you're looking at you know what I mean. So yeah. Also, I'm using the back of the sponge to blend everything in, so you don't have that harsh line, if you know what I mean. So yeah. For the next product or drugstore product that I'm using my Sacha buttercup powder, and I'm not really like baking my face, but I'm just making everything matte because your girl is oily. I have oily skin and I don't want it to be dripping. So yeah, I'm basically pressing the powder into my skin. I don't bake it for too long. I don't even bake it, I just press it and I'm gonna blend it out later. Or not blend it out, blend it in. I'm sorry, like I'm so used to saying blending out, but you have to blend it into your skin. You won't blend it out. Like that's crazy. So now I'm using my Sarah honey powder to blend everything into my skin, setting everything into place. Yeah. You guys, I've been gone for so long, not being consistent on YouTube, but I will explain it in another video. Promise y'all, but it's been rough, okay? So now I'm using my Black Radius True Contour Complexion powder palette, and I'm gonna sculpt my face a little bit to give my face a little bit dimension. I don't really want that really contour look. I just want that really nice sculpted effect contour because we're doing a soft glam makeup look, so you don't really want to go like really hard on it like I usually do. So yeah, I am contouring my cheeks as you could see me doing. Then I'm going to blend it in. I have so many other videos planned, you guys. I really want to step up my game this year. I have so many goals that I want to achieve, especially with my YouTube channel, take it more seriously. So yeah, now what you see me doing, I am contouring my nose, making it a little bit smaller, snatch it a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know, but every video that I film, even when I'm talking, I love to say the word. So like, how many times you guys see me pronounce the word or hear me pronounce the word? So like, it's ridiculous. But yeah. If you make a mistake or contour too much, you can always fix it with powder, okay? That's the trick. So now I am priming my eyes with concealer, the same one that I used to highlight my face with. And yeah, I'm blending it into my eyelids just to make the shade stand out a little bit more. Although it's soft glam, but yeah. Now I'm gonna use my Morphe palette. This is the 35OM palette, and I'm using that brown shade. And I'm putting it into my crease with a Morphe brush. I don't know it. I don't know the names out of my head right now, but everything will be in the description box down below, as I told you before. So yeah. And for my next shade, I'm gonna use this brownish, burgundish shade. I'm gonna put it on the outer third of my eye and blend it slightly into my crease. As you can see, I am focusing it more on the outer third of my eyelids because we're doing like a really soft cut crease. And yeah, now I'm cutting my crease, not like a really sharp cut crease, but really lightly pressure, not too much concealer, because the lighter shades will already baked the cut crease. Now I'm using the two lighter shade I showed you, and I'm putting it in the not the inner corner, the inner thirds of my eye. So yeah, I'm blending everything in, and that's kind of it. This is how it's looking. So yeah, it's looking good though. Oh my. Now I'm doing my eyeliner. I was trying to do my eyeliner on camera, but it would just it was just not working for me. Like it wasn't working for me. But I wasn't doing a wing though. So yeah. Now I'm using a little bit of the highlighter, which was a little bit dark for me, but your girl, it's makeup, okay? You can always make a change when you want to. So yeah. But it was good though. I really love this highlighter. It's just a little bit more darker for me. So yeah. I already lined my lips. Now I'm putting some gloss, and that's the makeup look. Then I use some setting spray, and I'm blending it in with a sponge, and that's the makeup look, you guys.
You guys, this is my Soft Glam beat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back, y'all. Turn your post notification on so you get a notification when I post a video. Okay, you guys? Give a big thumbs up. I said it alright, and say it again. That's how we're doing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna we live there as well. So you better come.